So you want to start a YouTube channel and you're trying to figure out whether you're going to put it in action or just a random thought. Hi, my name is Irene Iglesia. If you are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button and bell notification so you'll get notified to my upcoming videos. I started my channel way back 2018 and just recently I've been active 2020. And then I have friends trying to, invite me to be a YouTuber, and then I realized, why not? Yeah, why not? Okay, it's free and you have freedom to choose which path you will take. We can deny YouTube is the top second most website in the world and second most used social network. Do you think is it too late to start a YouTube channel? No, is it not? If you think it is, so is it for you? The reality is this: you can have the excuses or you can have the results, but you cannot have both. Probably this might be a question that you're asking a lot.
I don't know where to begin. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Or what type of content I'm going to create.
First, you need to figure out what type of content are you going to make. And of course, you're going to start what makes you happy. Here's the thing, you need to figure it out what type of content are you going to make. So it will not be difficult for YouTube to suggest your video across the platform. You need to be consistent to upload your video weekly or 2 times a week. Put a decent idea into action so you're gonna beat everybody else who's just thinking to make a video but without actions. As for the equipment, guys, we already had a cell phone, or you already had a cell phone. You can use your cell phone to film your video, to film what niche you're thinking to make, and you can edit as well in your phone. You can just download in Google Play or Apple Store, Canva or Power Director or KineMaster, any apps that you can use it free. So okay guys, I hope you like my video tutorial, and if you have anything else in your mind that you want to ask me, you can comment down below anything about this video and anything that video that you want me to make in the future. Okay guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell notification so you'll get notified to my upcoming videos. Bye, thank you so much for watching.